Why are you so upset, Mackenzie?
Because he's scary. He's scary.
Who's scary?
You're not filming this.
Why are you so upset? I don't understand why you're upset. What are you upset about?
I'm upset because he's taking out the Christmas.
Cause what?
Because he's taking out the Christmas.
What the elf is staying here till Christmas Eve and you're upset?
Yeah.
Why are you so upset about it?
Because he's scary.
He's scary, but he's not.
He wakes up.
And he wakes up. But he goes and tells Santa how good you've been. That's okay, right?
He's scary.
He's scary. Are you worried he'll find out that you're being a naughty girl and you'll get in trouble with Santa? Yeah, is that why you're really upset?